आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल ज्ञान ट्यूब। आज हम बात करेंगे टेबल नंबर 847 जीवन सिरोमनी। It has been decided to introduce LIC जीवन सिरोमनी plan number 847 with effective from 19 December 2017. This is a unique plan. This number has the big quota in the relevant document furnishing the policyholder and other uses. LIC Jeevan Ceremony Plan is a non-linked with profit limited premium payment money back life insurance plan especially designed for targeted segment of high net worth individual. This plan providing financial support for the family not only the case of death life assurance during the policy term but also providing for the payment of lump sum amount diagnosis of any other specific critical illness. Under this plan, granted additions shall be occurred at the rate of 50 per thousand basis sum assured for first 5 years and 55 rupees per thousand basic sum assured from 6th policy year till the end of the premium paying terms. Other detail, okay. इसकी एलिजिबिलिटीज कंडीशन जो रखी गई है, मिनिमम सम एश्योर्ड 1 करोड़, मैक्सिमम की कोई लिमिट नहीं है। पॉलिसी टर्म्स जो है 14 साल, 16 साल, 18 साल और 20 साल है। प्रीमियम पेइंग टर्म्स, पॉलिसी टर्म लेस 4 ईयर्स। अगर आपने 14 साल का टर्म लिया तो उसमें 10 साल प्रीमियम पे करना है। अगर आपने 16 साल का टर्म लिया है उसमें 12 साल प्रीमियम पे करना है। अगर आपने 18 साल का टर्म लिया है उस पर 14 साल पे करना प्रीमियम और 20 साल के टर्म में 16 साल प्रीमियम पे करना है। मैक्सिमम एज एंट्री जो रखी गई है 55 साल के लिए 14 साल की पॉलिसी है, 51 साल के लिए 16 साल की पॉलिसी है, 48 साल के लिए 18 साल की पॉलिसी और 45 साल के लिए 20 साल की पॉलिसी है। मैक्सिमम एज मैच्योरिटी जो रखी गई है मैक्सिमम एज एट 69 पर 14 साल का टर्म मैच्योरिटी, 67 years for policy term, 16 years, 66 years policy terms, 18 years and 65 years policy terms, 20 years. At age entry for the policy holder is to be taken as age near birthday except for the minimum age at entry 18 years where it is a completed year. Date of commencement of RICS. Under this plan, the RICS will be commencement immediately from the date of issue of policy. Date of assurance of the policy is the date when the proposal after the underwriting and accepted as a policy and the contract get effective. Benefit under this plan. The benefit payable under this plan is an enforced policy or as under death benefit. Death benefit पे क्या मिलेगा? On death during the first 5 years, sum assured on death along with the accrued granted additions shall be payable. On death after the completing of 5 policy years but before the date of maturity, sum assured on death along with accrued guarantee additions and royalty addition if any shall be payable. Where sum assured on death is defined as a higher 10 times of annualizing premium absolute amount occur to be paid on that 125% basic sum assured will be payable, and this death benefit shall not be less than 105% of all the premium paid as on date of death. The premium referred above shall not include any tax extra amount and charge able under the policy due to the underwriting decision and rider payment premium etc. Survival benefit. On the life assurance survival of each of the specific durations, during the durations the policy terms, a fixed percentage of basis sum assured shall be payable. The fixed percentage of various policy terms as given below. For the policy terms 14, 30% basic sum assured on each 10th and 12th policy anniversary. For the policy term 16, 35% of basic sum assured on the each 12th and 14th policy anniversary. For the policy terms 18, 40% of basic sum assured of each 14 and 60 policy anniversary, and for the terms 20, 45% of basic sum assured of each 16 and 18 policy anniversary. Maturity benefit on the life assured surviving to the end of the policy term, the sum assured on maturity along with accrued granted addition and royalty addition if any shall be payable, where sum assured on maturity as under. For the policy terms 14, 40% of basic sum assured on the 16 terms, 30% of basic sum assured on 18 years terms, 20% of basic sum assured on for the policy terms 20, 10% of basic sum assured will be payable at the maturity. Inbuilt criteria illness benefits क्या है? On the first diagnosis of any one of the 15 critical illness as a specific below, but the policy is in force on the date of diagnosis, the following benefit facilities shall be available. Lump sum benefit, inbuilt critical illness benefit equal to the 10% basic sum assured shall be payable subject to the following conditions and restrictions are mentioned in para 3D. Okay. The claim provide proof admissions of the certification of corporations. कंडीशन एंड रिस्ट्रिक्शन अंडर द क्रिटिकल, ये तो आपको मैं बहुत ही क्लियर पढ़ना पड़ेगा, तो इसको मैं थोड़ा बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. ये जो 15 क्रिटिकल इलनेस जो दी गई है, तो कैंसर ऑफ स्पेसिफिक सेफ्टीज ओपन चेस्ट CABG. ओके, ये कुछ 15 टाइप्स के आपको दिख जाएंगे. कैंसर ऑफ स्पेसिफिक सर्वे, तो ये बहुत ही टाइम लगेगा, इसको मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता जो भी इसकी कंडीशंस रखी है. ये ग्रांटेड एडिशंस है. प्रोवाइडिंग द पॉलिसी is inform a granted additions at the rate of 50 per thousand basis sum assured for the first 5 years and the 55 rupees per thousand sum assured from the 6 policy years till the end of the premium paying terms. Participations in benefit provided in the policy that has completed first 5 years, at least 5 years minimum have been 5 years premium have been paid. When depend upon the corporation's experience, the policy under this plan shall be eligible for the liability addition at the time of existing in the forms of death during the policy terms. ऑप्शनल राइडर बेनिफिट्स. ऑप्शनल राइडर बेनिफिट्स में क्या बेनिफिट है? द फ्लोइंग 4 ऑप्शंस राइडर आर अवेलेबल अंडर दिस प्लान. हाउएवर द पॉलिसी होल्डर कैन बी ऑप्शन बिटवीन either of LIC accident, death and the disabilities benefit rider of LIC accident benefit rider. A policy holder can be options for the maximum of the 3 rider under this plan. LIC accident, death and disabilities benefit rider. LIC accident, death and disabilities benefit rider available as an optional rider by the payment of the additional premium, and this rider can be opted for any time within a premium paying terms of the base plan, providing outside premium paying term at least 5 years. तो इसमें बहुत ही एक्सप्लेन करके पढ़ना पड़ेगा. एलिजिबिलिटीज कंडीशन मिनिमम एज एंट्री 18 years and maximum age entry. The cover can be opted to the inceptions of any policy anniversary together, providing the outstanding premium under the base plan of 5 years. Cover ceases and same as okay. तो मैं इसको ये सबके अलग अलग क्रिटिकल इलनेस राइडर्स है, कौन ले सकता है कौन नहीं ले सकता है. तो ग्रेस पीरियड, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. ग्रेस पीरियड फॉर द पेमेंट ऑफ प्रीमियम. ए ग्रेस पीरियड ऑफ द कैलेंडर मंथ बट नॉट लेस देन 30 days विल बी अलाउड फॉर द पेमेंट ऑफ द yearly, half yearly and quarterly premium. 15 days for monthly mode premium payment. If the death of life insurance occur within the grace period but before the payment of the premium then due date, the policy will be treated as an in force and the benefit will be paid after reductions of the said unpaid premium and also unpaid premium falling due to the monthly premium payment. In death life insurance occur within the grace period but before the payment then due, the policy will be treated as in force benefit will be paid after the deductions of the said unpaid premium and also unpaid premium falling due before the next policy anniversary. If the premium is not paid before the expiry of the date of grace, the policy lapses. If the policy has been lapsed, if the policy has not lapsed and the claim admitted in the case of death under the policy where the mode of payment of premium is other than earlier, unpaid premium, if any, falling due before the next policy anniversary shall be deducted from the claim amount. In case of claim under inbuilt criteria illness, benefit is paid and options is the for the payment of the premium is availed during the this is a very long, so इसकी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. रिवेट मोड क्या रिवेट है? अगर आप ईयरली मोड पे देते हैं तो 2% ऑफ द टेबुलर प्रीमियम्स. हाँ, अगर हाफ ईयरली पे करते हैं तो 1% है. क्वार्टरली में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है. और हाई बेसिक सम शॉर्ट पे क्या है, ये एक दिया हुआ है. कमीशन पेएबल अंडर, ये तो इसकी कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. पेड वैल्यू इफ एट लीस्ट one full year's premium has been paid and completing of one policy years and any subsequent premium will be not duly paid, the policy shall not be wholly void but shall sustain as a paid up policies. Surrender value. The policy can be surrendered at any time period